Morning friends, I hope you are well. Everyone who are registered Bitcoin Hunter account, you will receive next day your BTH. How do you will check? First you have to do open your app and go to the dashboard section. Next go history BTH. Here you will see what are you receiving. Now who are interested to join Bitcoin Hunter Airdrop group, please follow some step. See here, last option, BTH Telegram. You have to click here, then it will redirect it to the Bitcoin Hunter group. How to you will join here? There are some instruction you have to complete to receive this free airdrop. First you have to do open their YouTube channel, BTH YouTube. When you will open this page,
on April 18th,
see here.
2022, Bitcoin Group announced
Okay.
its listing roadmap that the trading service of
You
Bitcoin
have to
Hunter
do
and
here
automatic mining
like and subscribe their channel, and you have to do comments something good about their project. See here my comment. Okay, after complete this, you have to go Playstore account. Playstore you have to do like this something comment. They are very good project, like anything, whatever you want to best support to give this project. After you complete this, you have to go on their Telegram channel. See here many people join here. Maybe you have question how you will know your airdrop application was approved or not. See here, like this symbol, that means admin like, that means your application was approved successfully. Okay, so you have to do like this same. I will post my Telegram channel this format. You have to first choose your country name, and then Bitcoin Hunter application from same like these guys have posted here. Subscribe name, your name, Bitcoin Hunter, your wallet address. How do you will receive this address? Bitcoin Hunter, open your Bitcoin Hunter app, go to my information, you will see receive BTH. See a third number option. You have to do copy this address and paste here, Bitcoin Hunter wallet address, and third number email address. Then 4 number you have to writing same thing, attachment 3 photo, Google review 1 plus YouTube subscription, alarm setting, like, comment 2 photo. Okay, thank you friends, have a good day.